Your success is our success. We don't win if you don't win. You make money, we make money, everybody wins! What's going on? I'm Mike Stambouli and you're watching the Via Trading YouTube channel. Today's video is centered around the value of an account manager and how they support you. But before we get started, here's a little bit about us. Via Trading is a wholesale liquidation company specialized in supplying resellers with merchandise for their resale business. What does that mean? It means you need merchandise, we have merchandise, we supply you with it, you make money, we make money. Now back to the essence of the video. We need to find out what an account manager actually is. Did a quick Google search, let me read it to you. It's exhilarating. An account manager develops and maintains long-term business relationships by serving as an internal advocate and client liaison. All right, now let me tell you how we do it at Via Trading. At Via Trading, everybody receives a dedicated account manager. That means that you are working with somebody individually one-on-one. What that does is allow you to build that relationship and solidify it to grow your business and keep on leveling up. Your account manager is your eyes and ears. They are your inside person at Via Trading. They know when merchandise comes in, they know what merchandise is going out, they know the best sellers, the hottest sellers, the worst sellers, what's gonna work for you, what's not gonna work for you, and everything in between. But what value do they actually add? The more they know about you, the more they can support you. Now, building that relationship with your account manager starts from the ground up. They get to know everything about you and your business. All right. Don't get me wrong, we don't need to know your deepest, darkest secrets, the things you wouldn't even tell your best friends. Our role here is to recommend the most suitable merchandise for your particular resale business. It's not a blanket statement for everybody. What works for you doesn't work for that person, doesn't work for that person. It is specific for you. Your success is our success, simple as that. So the more you can tell your account manager everything from the type of business you're looking to start or you already have, the merchandise you're looking to buy or you're currently selling, everything in between, to where you're located, the operation, how many employees you have, what price points work best for you, your best sellers, your worst sellers, the type of merchandise you never want to talk about. And all of that may change when you have that relationship with your account manager because they can steer you in the right direction. They will answer all the questions you have, but they will also give you recommendations based on their years of experience. Via Trading has been in business since 2002. We have a wealth of experience that we are passing on to you because after all, we don't win if you don't win. So we are here for you. All right, awesome. You're excited. You want an account manager, but where do you start? Where do you go? Right here in the description. Click the link below. We have a registration link just for you. Now, how much does it cost? Absolutely nothing. This service is free. There is no registration payment, no service fee, no membership fee, absolutely nothing. We don't share your information with anybody. It is internal. Now, once you've registered, you're going to be assigned to a dedicated account manager and you will receive an automated email with their name, number, and email. My request to you, contact them immediately when you get that email. Contact them and start building that rapport, that relationship. Give them a call, email them, let them know who you are, what you do, what you're looking to start, where you want to go, and let's get started. Team up with your account manager, build that relationship, and level up. It's time to get started. But before you do that, like this video, share this video, follow, subscribe. About 80% of you are not subscribed, but you're watching. Let us know what other videos you want to see. Call your account manager, call your account manager, call your account manager. Peace!